Yesterday I turned right out of the lift, came across a shimmering lake with only a stick glinting in the sun, looked down at my feet and a prehistoric bird flew down the street, silhouette against a Vietnam sunset. On Wednesday I turned left out of the lift, came across a dark grey-green corridor. A burly figure from Burnage beckoned to me. I gave him a snout and he let me pass. It's opening my mind to the possibilities. Saturday came and there was no one around. When the lift doors opened, I didn't know which way to turn, confused I suppose by the lack of options. I did nothing but cried, free from the pressure. It was a house of cards I'd built myself. I was only turning right or left for you. Now you want me to believe in something.